Hi everyone, I'm Jusan Calleja, 43 of age, standing 5'4", from Valenzuela City.
Tingin. Then harap. Then pose. Okay. Alright. Then next pose. And next pose. And next pose. And alright. Action.
Hi, this is the best for your baby. Ito ang pinakamagandang gamit para sa bata. And this is a cup for your, para mapagtimpla natin yung pagkain ng ating baby at madali natin may papakain sa kanila ng smooth lang. And this is your bib na ilalagay po natin sa leeg ng bata. Yan. Paano siya gawin? Ilalagay po natin siya sa leeg ng baby. And then, papakainin po natin siya para hindi po mag-mess yung kanyang damit. Ayun po. And this is good for your baby, one at a time. Thank you.